Fire hazards from sparks or hot work can totally wreck your project if you're not careful, so keeping fire extinguishers handy and banning smoking near the site is a must. Alright, so when you're dealing with sparks or any kind of hot work like welding or cutting, first thing, always have at least one fire extinguisher nearby that's suitable for different types of fires, like a multi-purpose one. Make sure everyone on site knows where it is and how to use it, because panic won't help if a fire starts. You gotta clear the area of anything flammable before starting the work, so no piles of wood, paper, or oily rags lying around. Also, banning smoking within the work zone is super important, because even a tiny cigarette butt can light up something unexpectedly. If you can, set up fire-resistant blankets or shields around where you're working to catch any flying sparks. Keep a bucket of water or sand close by as an extra safety net, just in case your extinguisher is busy or out of reach. And finally, always have someone keep an eye on the work area for at least 30 minutes after finishing to make sure nothing smolders and turns into a bigger problem. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fire hazards during hot work is not having the right fire extinguisher on site, which can lead to disaster if a fire breaks out and the extinguisher doesn't work properly. Fix that by checking the extinguisher ratings and making sure it's suitable for metal fires or electrical fires, depending on your job. Another common issue is forgetting to ban smoking near the work area, which can cause unexpected fires from careless smokers. The fix? Clearly mark no smoking zones and remind everyone on site regularly. Lastly, people often neglect to keep the work area clean of flammable materials, so sparks land on stuff and start fires. Solution here is to do a quick cleanup session before starting, removing anything that could catch fire easily. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners quickly find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess around with safety rules. For contractors, it's a solid way to get more work by connecting with people who actually need reliable pros for their home projects.